Welcome back to my YouTube online video tutorial series on AutoCAD architecture. At the end of this video, you should know how to insert door and window tag into a drawing. The first step is to click on Annotate tab. So left click on Annotate tab. The next step is to click on, to change or scale from 1 to 1 to 1 to 50. Next step is to click on our door tag. It will then give us a choice to choose between door tag and door tag project based. For this, I'll be using door tag. The next step is to select object to tag. So currently I did tag these. I'm going to delete these. Let me delete these and start over. So let me do this over. So we go to Annotate, click on the door tag, click door tag from there. It will then ask me to click on the object to be tagged. I click here, left click on this. I then determine where I want this tag to be placed. It will then bring up this drop-down box for us to fill out. Click OK. Then go to my next door, click onto the door. Again, place your tag, left click to place your tag. Click OK. Then go to my next tag, left click here. Again, place our tag, left click to place our tag. Click here. Then left click on the next door, place my tag here. Click OK. And once you have completed all the tags, you simply click Enter and escape to play that command. Now, that's basically how we insert door tags in a drawing. To insert window tag, it's basically the same procedure. We again ensure that we are in Annotate. We then click on our window tag. Then click onto the window we wish to tag. Then place it, left click to place it. Again, click OK. Back to next window, left click. OK to place it. You will realize that sometimes in cases like these that the number is not consistent. Like here we have 1, then we have 4. So you need to ensure that you change the number. In cases like that, you will need to change the number. So I click here, left click, place there. I check to ensure that this is 3. So I'd work with 3 in that case. Okay. You will realize that this missed out on 2. So the next one, I will edit that to ensure that the next one is 2. So I click here, window, place my tag here, and see 2 popped up. So I'm gonna click OK to accept that. So the sequence is correct, 1, 2, 3. Well, the numbering is correct. I then click Enter to close this command as all my windows have been tagged. Escape. That's basically how we enter tags for door and windows. So just to recap, the first step is to ensure from home screen, you click annotate, then click onto the door or window tag, click on tag. For this, I'm not using a project. So if you're using the project, the built-in project, I guess you would use this one, but I'm using a simpler one. Click that, then click onto the door that you wish to tag. Yes. Once you have done that, you click. You can then fill this out.